How to check views on Instagram post. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let me guide you to check views on Instagram post. Without further ado, let's get started. Launch Instagram, tap profile icon at bottom right and make sure that you have turned your personal account to professional account. If you haven't yet, tap the hamburger icon at top right. Scroll down to the bottom of your screen and then navigate to account type and tools. Tap on Switch to Professional Account, tap on Next button, and then choose the category that best describes your account. Tap on Switch to Professional Account and tap on OK button. Now choose between Creator and Business and tap on Next. Here you need to complete 7 steps and set up your professional account. Fully exit from Instagram and then again launch Instagram. Then you need to navigate to profile icon at bottom right. As you can see that we have successfully turned on our account to professional account. So simply launch any post and here you can easily see view insight. So you'll only be able to see view insight once your account is professional. You can tap view insights and here you can easily view all your views on this particular Instagram post, the reach, engagement, post interactions and profile activity. So here you will see numbers of views on Instagram posts if you have any. So that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.